the National Guide to a Preventive Health Assessment for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people was a joint initiative of the National Aboriginal Community Controlled Health Organisation led by our own Dr. Sophie Koussos, which she is here today all the way from Townsville, and the Royal Australian College of General Practitioners, the National Faculty of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Health. The National Guide is a practical resource intended for all health professionals delivering primary health care to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. Its purpose is to provide GPs and other health professionals with accessible, user-friendly guide to best practice in preventive health care for our people. This second edition of the National Guide, which contains evidence statements, recommendations, risk calculation tables and an outline of the development of the guide. Also, the evidence base, the collection of evidence underpinning the guide and recommendations, which are electronic only at this stage and probably forever. See the methodology selection, searching the evidence base and drafting recommendations. And the child and adult life cycle summary wall chart listing activities recommended at each age group. The National Guide can be used in conjunction with the RACGP guidelines for preventive activities in general practice, the Red Book, and with Medicare benefits rebate item 715, the health assessment for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. The prevention of disease is a core element of primary health care and encourages healthcare providers to use the guides to enhance the clinical care that they provide in their clinics visits. The guide will assist health providers in unlocking the health system, the social, economic, geographical and health literacy barriers that prevent many of our people from accessing the services and opportunities to be healthy to the same extent to other Australians. I encourage all health providers to implement the guide's recommendations to bring about significant improvements in health services and access and health status of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people. This is truly another partnership which our organisation NACCHO is proud to be a part of, and I love the word practical guidelines and assistance to ensure that we can deliver good practice on the ground, that our people which are suffering with the most chronic health diseases and struggling to work their way through the health system, this guide will go to a long way to making their life easier. I'd just like to also finally say thanks for everyone who's been involved in this project, not only for the second edition, but from 2000 right through to 2013. Because without the vision, the work and dedication of seeing this important but also strategical piece of work through, we wouldn't be here today. So I'd like to say thank you, and it's a pleasure to be a part of this, to launch the second edition of this guide.